Bridgie?
I support this run. You know why?
Bakit?
Kasi hindi lang tayo nag-enjoy ngayon, tumutulong pa tayo.
Yes, of course. Yung proceeds of this run will be going to, chronically ill mga Maynilad employees who have exceeded their HMO limit.
Wow, that's great. So, let's give a round. Hindi ko marinig ang pagkakahan. Tired na kayo? Pagod na? So, our co-presenters, DMCI Holdings Incorporated, PLDT, SMART, major sponsors, DMCI Power Corporation, Semekalaka Power Corporation, DM Kutsuni Incorporated.
Let's not forget DMCI Homes, DMCI Mining, Meralco, Butuaco del Rosario Insurance Brokers Incorporated, Asian Life, Shakey's, Pfizer, The North Face, Garuda Construction Corporation, Jepa Construction, DA Tuazon, Milo, Abbott Laboratories Incorporated, and TV5 for covering this event. Sportsman himself. He's the President and Chief Executive Officer of Maynilad.
Let's give it up for Mr. Victor Igor